Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first, if you've got a case or a screen protector, remove it and let me tell why. Basically, first, you need to remove the screen protector only if it's misaligned, if it's poorly applied, or if it's just a bad quality one. Now, for the case, as you guys can see here, we have these screen bezels. They are very small, but even if they are small, the case can still go over them and cover a part of the screen. And what happens after you basically try and, let's say this finger right here, as you guys can see, we cannot move the phone in any other direction. We will just do what we can do with two fingers. So you will just have an unusable phone. As you guys can see, let me get rid of the finger. Now we can do that, but when we have one finger placed already, then we cannot. So this is how it will look like. And even if something's on your screen, then the ghost touch still may appear. So for an example, ghost touch will be here. You will open up the camera over and over. So we definitely do not want that. Now, it may be because your screen is just dirty, so try and grab a microfiber cloth and give it a few swipes. So don't be too hard, don't go too hard on the device, don't be harsh, but just clean it gently until you see that there's no fingerprints, no moisture, no anything. After that, as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over into the settings, and right here in the settings app, just go over, swipe all the way to the bottom, go to system and update, and click on software update. Here you need to make sure that you're running the latest version. As you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.